If you want to watch your Xfinity TV channels without using a cable box, you can install the Xfinity Stream app directly on your Vizio SmartCast TV. This app allows you to stream live TV, on-demand shows, and DVR recordings using your Xfinity subscription. Most Vizio SmartCast TVs made in 2016 or later support this feature as long as the TV is connected to Wi-Fi and running the latest SmartCast software. The setup process is quick and only requires signing in with your Xfinity account and activating the device through a code. Once the app is installed and linked to your account, you can start watching your content directly from your TV. Step 1. Connect your Vizio SmartCast TV to Wi-Fi and update the TV software. Step 2. Press the V button on the remote to open the SmartCast home screen. Step 3. Use the search option or apps section to find Xfinity Stream. Step 4. Select the app and install or add it to your TV. Step 5. Open the app and sign in using your Xfinity username and password. Step 6. Enter the activation code at xfinity.com/authorize to link your TV and start streaming.